In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unknown status in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and let it fully load. Once you're on the main screen, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initials. A menu will open. Right under your name, you'll see your current status. Click that status to open the full status menu. Now look all the way toward the bottom of that drop-down and click Reset Status. This tells Teams to refresh your presence and clear out a stuck or incorrect state. Give it a moment, then click your profile icon again in the top right corner. Check whether your status now shows correctly. If it still says unknown, stay right there and we'll move to the next fix. Click your profile icon one more time, then choose Sign Out. Wait for Teams to close their session and return you to the sign-in screen. Now sign back in using your saved account if it appears, or choose the option to sign in manually. If you need to enter your account details, click the email field and type your email address slowly and carefully. Then click Next. On the password screen, enter your password and complete the login process. If your organization uses a second verification step, finish that as usual and wait for Teams to open again. Once you're back in, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is the quickest place to confirm whether your real availability has returned. If your status now looks normal, then the issue was likely tied to a temporary sign-in or sync problem. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the status is still stuck on unknown, the next step is to fully close Teams and reset the app from Windows settings. First, look at the bottom right area of your taskbar. If you don't immediately see the Teams icon, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. In that system tray area, find the Microsoft Teams icon, right-click it, and choose Quit Teams. This is important because the app needs to be fully closed before you reset it. Now open Windows settings by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the settings window, look to the left sidebar and click Apps. On the right side, click Installed Apps. You'll now see a list of programs installed on your computer. Go to the search bar near the top of this page. Click inside it and type Microsoft Teams. As you type, Windows will filter the list and show the matching app. When Microsoft Teams appears, click the three-dot menu next to it, then choose Advanced Options. A new page will open with more controls for the app. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. In this area, click Reset. Windows will warn you that the app's data will be deleted, and the app will be restored to its default state. Go ahead and confirm the reset. Give Windows a few seconds to finish. After that, open Microsoft Teams again from your Start menu, desktop shortcut, or taskbar. The app may take slightly longer than usual the first time it launches after a reset. When the sign-in screen appears, sign in again with your work or school account. Enter your email address, click Next. Then enter your password and complete the login process. Once Teams opens, click your profile icon in the top right corner and check the status indicator. If the reset worked, your real presence should now appear instead of unknown. In many cases, this step fixes corrupted app data, cached session issues, or a broken status sync between Teams and your account. If you still see unknown after the reset, there's one more thing to check, and this one helps you find out whether the issue is on Microsoft's side rather than yours. Open your web browser and go to status.cloud.microsoft. Let that page load fully. This is Microsoft's server status page, and it can show whether Teams is having an outage or a service issue. When the page opens, look for Microsoft Teams in the list of services. If there's an advisory, interruption, or degraded service notice, that means the unknown status may not be caused by your device at all. In that case, there usually isn't anything else you need to fix locally. You would just wait for Microsoft to resolve the issue, then check Teams again later. If the Microsoft status page looks normal and Teams still shows unknown, repeat the basic check one last time by clicking your profile icon inside Teams and confirming whether a correct status appears after a few moments. Sometimes it takes a short delay after sign-in or reset before your presence updates. So the full fix is simple. First, reset your status from the profile menu. Then sign out and sign back in. Then fully quit Teams and reset the app through Windows settings. And finally, check Microsoft's service status online if the problem continues. Following those steps in order gives you the best chance of clearing the unknown status and getting Teams back to showing your real availability correctly.